जिम में जाते हैं, स्टैमिना के बारे में बात करते हैं, मस्कुलर बिल्डिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं, तो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी को कैसे भूल जाएं। हमारे साथ आज है हमारी एक्सपर्ट माधुरी रुइया जी, जो हमें बताएंगी कि हम बॉडी की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी को कैसे इंक्रीज एंड इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। वेलकम माधुरी जी।
Hi dear. Lots of things to be done for flexibility.
Wow, okay.
Well, flexibility first is how long the muscle can become within your specific range of motion of the joint.
Okay.
So how am I using my legs, my hamstrings, basically a very tight area in the human body is the hamstrings.
Oh my God, the hamstring.
And actually they're very easy to make flexible. All you have to do is do the hamstring stretches that we've shown you and hold the stretch for about 15 to 20 counts twice, at least every day, and then you'll suddenly find that you can do so many more things.
This is the foam roller. So first exercise, stance again a shoulder width. Take the foam roller exactly in front of you in a comfortable position. Both hands on the foam roller. Keep the body tight and shift the upper body weight forward without pushing hip back. जितना आप धीरे धीरे पुश करोगे उतना आपके मसल्स पे स्ट्रेच अच्छा आएगा। आपका स्पाइन टोटली स्ट्रेट रखो, नेक न्यूट्रल, सामने देखना है आपको। होल्ड करके जस्ट काउंट 10 और 15 reps. Then slowly return back to the position. Second thing, again go straight, maximum level. Take the one hand out, stretch the foam roller on your right. As much you can twist, body balance करना है आपको. Take the foam roller in the center. Hands again on the foam roller. Back to the position. And the last, same आपको left में repeat करना है. Forward. Once again hold करके remove the left hand. Stretch back. Try to turn on your left and stretch in the front. Hold it for 10 seconds. Slowly return back in the center. Back hands on the foam roller. Return back to the position. Okay, so let's do it. First, both hands on the foam roller. Take it at a comfortable level. Very good. Stance is good. Look straight. Keep the body straight. Knees locked. Let's start. Inhale. Exhale. Continue. Stretch the foam roller in the front very slowly. Only from the upper body. Try to feel the stretch on your arms and the back. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds and then return back to the position. Pull the foam roller. Nice. Let's do next now. We have to twist on the right side. Again, same stretch we'll do in the front first. Maximum forward. Stretch as much you can. And remove the right hand from the foam roller. Take it back as much you can behind. Now twist the upper body towards your right hand. With your left, just foam roller stretch and you twist and push the foam roller slightly in the front. Again, hands on the foam roller. Come back to the position again behind. Same thing will repeat left side. First in the front. Keep the legs tight. Maximum stretch forward. Take the left hand out. Now hold upper body twist. Right hand push slightly further. Nice. Again, come back to the position slowly. Hands on the foam roller. Bring the upper foam roller back. Okay.
कई बार talking about hamstrings itself, a lot of dancers, a lot of people who start gymming, जब वो treadmill etc करना शुरू करते हैं तो सबसे पहली complaint उनकी यही होती है कि उन्हें अपने hamstring में issues आ रहे हैं।
Yeah, so you have to stretch your hamstrings before and after cardio.
Okay.
And as you keep doing it, it's going to be fine. You just have to be patient with all this. You can't expect to stretch today and have the flexibility tomorrow, right? So you have to be consistent. Consistency is a big thing with fitness.
All
You know,
right.
fit today and not tomorrow is not the answer.
All right, so you've got your answer. अगर आप एक दिन स्ट्रेचिंग करते हैं और फिर आगे बहुत सारे दिनों तक स्ट्रेचिंग नहीं करेंगे, then definitely बॉडी की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी को इम्प्रूव करना बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाएगा. एंड इफ यू वांट टू नो एंड सी के कौन कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेस बेस्ट रहती हैं अपनी बॉडी की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी को बढ़ाने के लिए, then go ahead and take a look at this.
Sit on the floor first. One leg, left leg, take it out. Absolutely straight. That heels has to be up. Sorry, toes has to be up. Nice. One palm rest on the ball. Elbow has to be locked. Then left hand take it over the head. And slowly push the ball towards right side. Make sure your left hits on the floor. And as much you can stretch. Pull the ball your side. Repeat this 2 more times. Stretch, keep the toes straight. Last time. Stretch, keep the neck straight, neutral. Nice. Lovely. Now change the side, take the ball on your left. Very good. Now nice. Slightly right leg behind. Left arm keep it straight. Left arm straight, straight. Very good. Bring the right glutes down on the floor. Your toe has to be straight. Okay. Keep your hips on the floor as much you can. Don't raise up. And straight. Both hands straight. Look straight. You. Absolutely. Good one. Repeat one more time. Inhale, exhale, continue while stretch. Hold it for 10 seconds, then return back to the position. Okay. This is a hamstring stretch. So isotoners को tight hold करो. Toes आपका inside the isotoner. Try to open the knees up as much you can and try to make sure your knees are straight. Once your knees are straight, slightly pull the isotoner back as much you can behind. Feel the stretch in your entire hamstring. Release it forward. Keep the isotoner touch to your legs and bend your knees. Okay. Hands take it in the center later. Left hand on your left side. Then keep the leg straight and just swing maximum on your right side as much you can. Down, pull slightly up, then back to the position slow, then return back to this position. Okay. Hands on the isotoner, bend the knees, release the leg down, and same side left.
Le dormeur doit.
Lie down. Hold the isotoner first. Nice. Take the right leg inside. Toes, knees bend. Don't stretch first. Keep the toes loose. Isotoner touch to your shin bone. Left leg has to be completely straight. Now hold the hands tight. Get tight over again. Lovely. Now try to open the knees as much you can in the front, straight. Isotoner keep it close to your body. More knee straight. Very good. Once you make the knee straight, then slightly pull the knee back yourself along with the isotoner without bending knees. Now stretch the leg up first, knee open. Very nice. Hold it. Now turn the right leg as much you can, right side very slowly. There. Nice. Now from there slightly pull up. Hold it. Don't overstretch It's very important to stretch in your range only. Take it in the front slightly, and then return back to the position. Arms tight. Knees, hands coming again. Return back to the position. Hands, knees bend, and please remove your legs from there and switch the leg. Good. Left leg. Isotoner, hold it outside. Here. Hands take it out. Touch your ball of the feet. Same stretch. First hands hold it tight. Try to open the knees as much you can. Make it straight. More open the knees. More. Press forward knees. Try to press it forward. In the front. Press in the front. Hold it. Try to make your leg straight. Press it in the front. Yeah, nice. Now slightly pull the leg from your toes as much you can towards you. Along with the isotoner. Pull it back. Nice. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Release it forward. Knees bend. Now left hand take it in the center. Right hand on your right side. Try to open the knee straight again. Make your leg straight. Slowly turn on your left. Control on the body. Don't touch on the floor, slightly above the floor, and pull upwards. Other leg has to be on the floor. Back to the position, slowly come up. Bring the leg slowly up. Both hands again, hold it here. Bend your knees. Then remove the leg and take it down. Okay.
Well, हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स तैयार हैं आपको अपनी एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस देने के लिए so that you can understand आपकी सेहत के लिए क्या है सही और क्या है गलत. Well, go ahead and take a look at the health do's and don'ts.
A muscular endurance workout keeps into mind your endurance level. So that's a mix of cardio plus you're using external weight. So you're doing a mix of cardio and strength training. That is why it's important that you eat well before the workout. 1 hour before, a fruit with milk, cereal with milk, protein shake, just porridge. Eat a good meal and come. During the workout, you need to keep sipping on water because you're losing a lot of fluid there. So you should make sure that you're not dehydrated. Keep sipping on water. If it's a longer duration workout, you can use electrolytes also. And after the workout, eat well within 10-15 minutes after the workout.
हमारी एक्सपर्ट की एडवाइस तो आपने सुन ही ली थी ना. सिर्फ कुछ करना सही नहीं है, आपको अपनी बॉडी के लिए सब कुछ करना चाहिए. चाहे वो कार्डियोवैस्कुलर एक्सरसाइजेस हो या फिर वेट ट्रेनिंग हो या फिर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इंप्रूव करने के लिए एक्सरसाइजेस. वेल, अब मैं आपको टाइम दे रही हूँ ताकि आप जाएं जिम और करें ये सारी की सारी एक्सरसाइजेस. एंड वेल, आई एम गोना गेट स्टार्टेड राइट हियर राइट नाउ. Until we meet next time, take care.